Hi everyone, welcome to another Journal with Me video. Today we are going to do collages on my Hobonichi Cousin, and I've already done one spread and I really liked how this turned out. So let's do several more on the next few pages. But first, let's open some washi tapes that I got from Daiso. Every time I go to Daiso, I don't have any plans of buying stationery, but I always end up checking their washi tape section, and here we are opening several Christmas themed washi tapes that I didn't get to use last year, so let's use them in one of these pages. First is a Little Prince theme collage. If you have seen my past videos, you might already know that I collect the Little Prince books in different languages. I've collected several knickknacks and stationaries of the Little Prince, and you can see on this journal spread I used some paper from their packaging and a sticker from when I bought something from their shop in Paris, and then a receipt from an online order years before that I have kept, and post-its. Little Prince post-its that I bought online. I forgot where I got this from. I've had this for several years already. And we're just going to add blue and yellow washi tapes to match the theme, and that's it. Moving on to the next pages, this will be a home themed collage. The first few weeks of January up until now, I mostly spend my days at home. These are just cutouts from stationery that I got from Daiso, and we're also going to use the Christmas washi tapes because these were the dates that we kept our Christmas decorations at the studio. So just a reminder that this was the day that we kept our Christmas decorations in boxes. I always try to make my journal pages more minimal now, but sometimes I always end up with more stickers on the page than what I really wanted, and that's fine. Sometimes you can go overboard and you just allow it to be. Next up is a simple journal spread. I got this page from an old art magazine, and I'm just going to paste it on both pages. This is one of my favorite pages, and I'm just going to add a small blank sheet of paper, so when I write something later on I have the space, and adding just bits of stickers from my shop. Next is a simple collage. I also got the page from an old art magazine. I love the combination of yellow, black, and blue, so we're going to use this yellow and black theme for this spread. And we're also going to add stickers from my shop. This is one of my favorites, Studio Ghibli inspired stickers. I'm going to leave a link on the description box if you want to check out my small online shop. A shameless plug, but hope you get to visit. Again, one of my favorite spreads. We're going to use this blue and yellow packaging tape that again I got from Daiso, and packaging from a Midori notebook. Now I just usually stick on the edges of the pages so as not to make it look cluttered. And these are stickers from the same Midori notebook, and the round stickers are from my shop, as well as these flower stamps that I'm really proud of. I really loved how this turned out. And if you like the flower stamps, don't forget the link is on the description below. This is a flow book, one of their book for paper lovers, and I'm just going to use this blue and orange floral pattern plus the remaining paper from the art magazine from the previous pages. So it's again more on the yellow and blue color theme. And then these stickers are from the same book. And that's it. Next is a bookshop art themed spread. We're going to use this washi tape from Miniso and another sticker from the shop that is not available yet, but I'm going to restock this, and this sticker from the same Midori packaging. And it's one of the simple spreads that I made and I still love it. I'm gearing towards this kind of collages. Next is another page from the Paper Lovers book. It's going to be more on the pink floral theme. Again, adding some stickers, and these ones are from my online shop. It's the illustrations of illustrators, my favorite illustrators like Isabel Arsenault and Quentin Blake. And let's add another flower stamp. Here's a flip through of the collages. I'm going to write on them later on. I'm still learning how to do collages without overdoing it. And I like working with my hands, so every time that I'm not illustrating, I go with collaging. I love how these pages turned out, and I'm also happy that I get to use my own designed stickers, and I'm hoping that I get to design more stickers this year. So now let's start writing some quotes and notes and other stuff to remember. I'm using a Lamy fountain pen. I think this is medium nib. And I'm writing a quote by Ira Glass. And for the other pages like this one, where I'm just using a simple quote, I'm going to use stamps. And the quote here is from Neil Gaiman. It says we owe it to each other to tell stories. And I love that it goes with the bookshop books art theme. That's it. I hope you enjoy collage journaling with me. And thank you for everyone who's been watching my videos. I hope you have a good start to your year, and I'm wishing you a good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the universe. Until next time.